What's up, guys? We're at Monarch Mountain today on the breezeway lift. Just got off. First run of the day. Gonna probably just go ramble on and get a little warmed up. Yeah. First run. On new skis, the Blizzard Rustler tins. Woo! Super fast. Definitely got to tighten the boots a little bit when I get to the bottom. Early season conditions out here, really, even though it's had great snow this year. Oh my God, look at this. Always look uphill. That was super fun, super fast. Right back to breezeway, that was great. Look uphill. Take a little pause right here, tighten up my boots. That was awesome.